Hey fitness enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most effective compound exercises, the barbell squat. Stick around as we break down the proper form step by step. First, position the barbell on a squat rack at about chest height. Approach the bar and place it across your upper back, just below your neck. Ensure your grip is slightly wider than shoulder width. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart or slightly wider. Toes should point slightly outward. Engage your core, keep your chest up, and maintain a neutral spine throughout the movement. Take a deep breath, unlock your hips and start to bend your knees, lowering your body straight down. Imagine sitting back into an imaginary chair. Keep your back straight and chest up as you descend. Aim to descend until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or go as deep as your flexibility allows. Ensure your knees track in line with your toes and don't let them cave inward. Drive through your heels, exhale, and straighten your hips and knees simultaneously to return to the starting position. Keep the movement controlled and avoid locking out your knees at the top. There you have it, the barbell squat. It's a fantastic exercise for building strength and muscle. Remember, start with lighter weights to master your form and gradually increase as you get more comfortable. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep squatting.